there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw an Among Us zombie. So first let's get started with the top of the mouth. So on the left hand side we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the middle of our page. We're going to start from this corner here, curving this line all the way over and out towards the left. Now for the teeth, coming further down, we're going to draw in a triangle as we come down. Let's leave an even amount of space moving down in towards the middle and replicate that. And then again one more time as we come down on our line. Let's come in towards the bottom line now, stepping in from the left. We're going to curve this line up and then down, creating another triangle. We'll do the same thing, stepping in towards the middle. And then again moving over on the right. Now let's draw in the tongue. So on the bottom, starting in the middle here, we're going to curve this line up and then out towards the left. And then starting on the inside, we're going to again curve this line around and then out towards the left again. Now from here on the outside line, we're going to curve this line out, back in, and then back out again towards the side of the page. And then from that point, we're just going to follow this, curving this line in, back out, and then blending that back in together on that line on the top. Now let's draw on the top of the head. So from this corner, we're just going to draw on a small curved line that arches up towards the top. Now moving up from this corner, we're going to draw on the eye. So we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the top. Starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then over towards the top again. And then from the left-hand side, we're just going to curve this line around and then down on the right. In the middle now, we're going to curve this line over and down. And then from both corners, we're just going to draw in a small triangle that comes out. On the top now, we're going to curve this line over, back in. And then we'll do the same thing on the bottom, curving this line out and then down. And then again from that corner, we're just going to draw in another triangle that points down towards the side, leaving a gap in the middle. And then now from here on the top, we're going to curve this line back down from that point, bringing that in towards the corner. Now on the top of the head, we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the side of the page. Starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this line down and then in on the bottom. And then again, we're just going to bring this line further down. Now from here, we're going to draw in a zigzag pattern as we come down towards the bottom. On the right hand side now for the foot, we're going to close this off, curving this line around and then in. And now from this line, we're going to continue to extend this around and then back up. From this corner, we're going to curve this line over. On the inside, we're going to bring this line down, bringing that across. And then from that corner on the outside, we're going to bring this line down and then back in towards the bottom. We're going to draw in a bone sticking out here now. So from the corner, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from this corner, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. We'll do the same thing on the left, curving this line around, back in. For the back now, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And now on top of this, on the side, we're going to curve this line around, back in towards the top. On the top of the head now, we're going to bring this line down and then in. Again, from that point, bringing this line down, across. And then from that point again, one more time, bringing that over towards the side of the head. On the left-hand side now, underneath the eye, we're going to curve this line in. From that point, we're going to arch this line up. And then again, from that corner, we're going to curve this line in towards our eye. For the eye now, we're going to draw in some cracks. So we're going to bring this line down and then in. And then from the corner, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. Now on the left, we're going to bring this line up and across. And then we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal. And then again, we'll bring this line out on the right. Now moving over above the mouth, we're going to curve this line down. And then we're going to draw in 3 diagonal lines, leaving an even amount of space as we come down on that line. Moving down towards the bottom now on the left, we're going to curve this line in. From that point, we're going to curve this line back down. We're going to replicate that again. And then again, one more time, curving this line down. Moving up towards the top now, we're going to arch this line in. And then again, one more time, coming over on the top. Underneath the mouth now, we're going to curve this line in on both sides. And then we'll connect that together from corner to corner, drawing in a nice big arch line. Now on the leg, we're going to curve this line down. And then again, moving down this, we're going to draw in 3 diagonal lines that come across. Moving over on the left-hand side now, we're going to curve this line down. From that point again, we're going to arch this line out and then in. And then again, from that corner, we're just going to curve this line back down on the left. And that is it. That's how you draw an Among Us zombie. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.